Men du slutar. Lägg av. All right, let's see here. We're gonna go in. Just gonna fix my channel. Okay, perfect. That works. Checking the audio. All right. Yeah, it works. Everything seems to work just fine. So that's my chat window. That. Right. Hmm. Jesus. I need to learn my freaking setup here. There we go. I think I have it there. All right. Just gonna drag my window in a little bit. Just so I have the chats, just in case somebody wanna stop by and talk. All right, so what I've been doing here, I've spent a couple of days yesterday, and basically reworked a shit ton of code, just to make it a little bit more streamlined. So what are we gonna do today? Well, I'm gonna do a lot more UI stuff. So first of all, we want to drag from slot to storage. So basically today we can drag it out to slot here. Oh, sorry. I need to change this at mid slot. Now we're going to change that back to a low slot. Now we want to be able to drag this from slot straight to one of these storages. If I do that now, this entire thing will disappear. We can just drop it there and it will disappear. That's not what we want to happen. Then we also want to be able to drag it from slot to another slot straight off. And that's going to be, right now it's the same things happening. We also want to do an animation for, we have an animation for the mid slots here being highlighted, but we also want to be able, when we hover over a slot that are not this is not intended for, we want to have a visual representation. I don't know, maybe make the background a little reddish. I don't know if we're gonna have a little text like this is the wrong slot for this. This is not the slot we're looking for, or whatever. So that is something I'm gonna work on. I don't know how much time this will gonna take, but otherwise I want to start working on right clicking. We want to be right clicking on the slot here. No, not on the slot, on the storage. So I want to be able to change the name, and I want to be able to change the image to a one of maybe 8 to 10 different images. Can you stop, Coltrane? And the reason is that you should be able to name your storage, and for example, if you want to have a specific type of items in that one, you should be able to change the image so it's representing that. So that is the right clicking version of it. That's why we want to have right clicking menu. We also want to, so this is going to be storage. We want to be able to right click on an item. Same thing here, is to get a menu for information about that item. Also, if you just want to delete it, of course, we should be able to do that. And we also want to right click on the slot when the item is attached. So if the item is interesting, I dropped it already. Something went wrong. Oh, probably when I dropped off when I crashed that thing. Yeah, I got an errors because of I'm trying to read properties and stuff. It's when I fucked up this thing. So actually it doesn't stop. Interesting. Oh, to look at that. Access none, trying to read properties, slot info. Well, something to work on. Actually could be something we're starting with. First of all, we want to, oh wait a minute, maybe that could be the reason that we are doing a min slot, because I was reworking everything yesterday. It could actually be a reason that this doesn't work right now. Yeah. All right. Let's see. So first of all, let's take a look at this guy here. We got warnings there, I know. So when we are cancel, it happens only when we drop it back or when we cancel it. Not when we cancel it, that works fine. So it's when we drop it back in here. Okay. It's got to be an on drop here. Let's see what we're doing here. Okay. So cast to item drag. Let's just see where we are calling the function stop moving. I think it was called stop moving. That's the clear start. Clear get at item. Save. Clear. We're actually not calling it at all. Is that true? Huh. We're actually not calling it at all. Let's see, let's double check it here. Stop moving, play state, stop moving module. That's the stuff we want to do. It's a function on the play state. Is drop zone true, false, cast to, so we know that, we know it's a drag item. All right. Let's see, do we have the play state? We have the play state, so let's get that. Stop moving module, that one. Call, there we go, and it's highlighting and stop highlighting. However, it is still giving me some errors. Let's see, clear slot. See what we got here. All right. Yeah, here's the thing. Let's see, when we're dragging it from clear slot, it's a controller on the drag drop slot. Let's just take a look at that function there. clear slot. Boop. All right. So we're not passing anything in. Access none, trying to read property slot info. Yeah, the thing is that when we're dragging it from okay, let's just do this. Let's see. Slot info controller. I wonder if I can do a lucky branch and just check this and not call this if this is empty. This is because the slot drop function access none, trying to read property slot info. I don't think that's gonna work though. Maybe. I don't know about this. No errors anyway. All right. Well, I have a feeling it could break sometime. Go. There we go. I don't get any errors. All right. Cool. All right. So where the hell are we? So we want to drag from slot to storage. So first of all, let's take a look at this is the storage. Drag items, stop animation, storing the widget reference. It's fine. All right, this is the place. I wonder what the fuck I was doing. Save file. So I want to check if this item coming, if we're dragging it from a slot or if we are not dragging from a slot. So let's do a bool dragging from slot. I don't know if this is right, but we're gonna test it this way. Let's see here, drag, drop. Here we go, and we're going to refresh this, and there's our dragging from. So this is dragging from a slot, so that's gonna be true. Simple enough. And if we drag from this, which is not a slot, it's going to be false. It doesn't matter in this guy here, the fitting scroll doesn't matter there. It only matters on these guys, which is of course the storage part. Let's see, storage display widget on drop. Let's see, I need to freaking figure this out. Where am I using these guys? Widget reference. That's the same fucking thing, these two. User widget and user widget. And Jesus, I have no fucking idea what the fuck I did here. These gotta be the same fucking thing. Well, this. Yeah. Right widget. There we go. And this is gonna be that, right? All right. However, if this is let's see here. So as dragged item. I get dragged from slot. All right. So if it is dragged from slot, well, then we want to store something else. Let's see. I mean, we want to do that thing, and that's fine. Or, yeah. We want to stop animation. There. This is false. Shit. I wish I could just flip those around, but yeah. Dragged widget. So we want to store something else. What the hell we want to store? Wait a minute. Let's see. Maybe we don't have to do this so much because this is not self. We don't want to. Our widget reference is not self. It should be easier than this. It should be. No, I'm trying to fucking. No, we don't want it removed. That's what we want to do. Okay, now I start. Because we don't really want to remove that widget. So, let's see, here we go. Boom, clicking that back. All we want to do is we want to promote this to a variable. So we have that. Then further down the line, down here, remove all widget from all parent. We only want to do this if this is false. So this is false. We can move that down instead. Jesus. Connected. This is true. Now we just want to pass it on. All right, let's see. And yeah, that didn't work out too well. Hold on. This is in there. There. That works. There. There. Okay, so now okay, so it did store it there. Okay, just didn't remove that. Okay, okay, okay. So what do we want to do then? Okay, that's the wrong one. We want to send a signal. Hey, we want to send a message to re-trigger. Let's see, we want to clear the slot. It's not what we want to do. Yes, we do. Want to clear the slot. It's culture. Yeah. Done. Thank you. Yes, stands there and looks. Okay. No, stop. Yeah. Set current image. So we want to clear the slot. Please stop. You don't care about me at all until I start sitting here and streaming. All right. Let's see here. So we want to clear the slot. Get the dragged widget. Get controller. Get widget. Get widget controller. Set widget controller. I want to get it. Okay, hold on. Maybe I need to cast it. Cast to BBP drag drop slot position. That is true. Get widget controller. There we go. We got that, and we want to cast this. What do you call that? Because we want to get. Jesus fucking Christ! Too much fucking shit open. Drag and drop slot controller. Drag drop slot controller. There we go. Clear slot. The function. That is basically just gonna redraw the image. Don't know if it's gonna work because I have to check if we Need to clean up. Jesus, it gets so messy. Let's see if it works at all. And it did redraw it though. We just didn't clear it out, so we need to empty it out. Okay. So how do we do that? Take a look at we clear the slot. There we go. We're gonna remove item from slot. Display content controller, remove item from slot. Take the slot manager. We call remove item from slot. Right. Get the item slot. Right. Let's see. Get it up here. As for now. Departing storage. Just dragged item. Struct. That's my struct that we're dragging. Let's just break it and see what the hell we have. I don't remember. It's been a couple of days since I did this. It's the item object. Jeez, I got tired. I just woke up an hour ago and it's like, I was like, oh, I'll stream. And then I'm like, oh my god, I'm tired. That's okay. I just had some breakfast too, and they usually drag down my energy levels. Let's see. So what do we say here? We need a function, right? Remove item from slot. On the controller. Yep. Slot manager. This is exactly the same fucking function I want to do. I'm just gonna copy this. Just paste that there. So let's copy this entire thing. Because here we actually have the slot index already, and we have the slot type already. So basically we just need to do that. Give a void function there. So we just remove that. Don't need that. And local can be made a pointer to const. Yeah. Oh, all right. That's fine. I think I have. Let's take a look at my new function. Didn't I have one? Play state. I didn't create a function for that, but this is something we could add here, honestly. Get the slot manager. Let's see, we need to use this to view function. Hey man, sorry I didn't see you there on YouTube. Yeah, he can be a pain in the arse sometimes, I can tell you that, but he's a nice dog. I got two. I got one very lazy one and then one more energetic. You get a little bit more energy than but it's a border collie, so blueprint callable. Let's see. Okay. Remove item from slot. Controller. We'll see what the hell happens. You can always test and see what's happening. Need a lot of coffee today, I feel that. Oh, fuck, did I save that? Let's see, probably have to redo it all again. Come on. Show. It's loading. The hell? Build success. I just wait for it to launch. All right, there we go. Loading. It's so funny because sometimes it takes like 2 seconds and sometimes it takes like go put the pot of coffee on because it's gonna take a while. Coming up on the screen at 50, 75. 75%. Let it be, Khaleesi. Let it be. Alright. Told you, let it be. Yep. Thank you. '86. There we go. All right. Okay. Let's open up. Oh, 5. Jesus. All right. Was it on that one, right? All right. Okay, cool. So we got the controller. Let's grab these guys here. Move them up here. And what did I call it? Jesus. Galaxy's done. Remove item from slot. All right. Wait a minute. We need to do that first, and then we're gonna clear a slot because we remove it from the slot. We're gonna remove it from the array, and then we move it from after we removed it from the array, we'll reload the images. So I don't know. Ah, there we go. There we go. All right. Don't know if I like the green to stick around until, yeah, should be fine. That's cosmetics. Right. All right. So that is solving that problem. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go into my content. I'm gonna go to data. I'm gonna go to my data asset. I'm gonna check my low cargo expander. I'm gonna change this to low slot. So this should work in low slots now and not in those. We need to look at that. Yeah, perfect. So now that works. Let's take that, we're gonna drag it there. Oh, yeah, you're gonna know which one. Now that one is empty, that one has 2. Now that got 1 as well. All right. Oh, Jesus. Warnings. Let's see. Access none. Trying to read property and control. Okay. Boom. All right. I'm gonna drop it down there. These things are not valid. Huh. This controller. Get owner ID. Get stores ID. The fitting scroll. Oh, okay. So there we go. Controller. This is none of these are okay. Oh, all right. As well. Then that won't be valid. Huh. Wait a minute. Right. Let's see here. Because we're dropping it. We have a scroll box here as well. I don't know. That works. So nothing in that one. No, it is. Okay. Okay, let's just double check. When we're loading, it's still there. Yeah, 2, 1, 2. Grab that, and that. Double check so everything seems to get one there, and one there. Drag it to the bottom 3. 1, 2. Take that one there. Then we stop this. Start again. There's supposed to be 2 in this one. There are, and 1 in this one, and there are. Okay. And no more errors. All right, so drag from slot to another slot. So let's see, if I drag from that one to that one, that fucks everything up. So drag items. So we know that if we drag from, not that, from this, we know that we're dragging from a slot, so we have that. So I'm going to check on drop here. First of all, that one can be removed. Done. So we know we dragged from a slot. That doesn't really matter because we don't do that. The setup is fine. Is it the correct slot? Yes. Drag item, item struct, item object, reference. Got all that information. Correct slot, yes. No, then we are just canceling. Slot manager. Okay, here is the thing. We want equipped item in slot, right? However, we wanted the, let's see, move this over a little bit. Oops. We want to equip it in the slot, but we want to unequip it first from the first slot. So let's get the controller from widget reference. Get that. That's the old one. I'm gonna cast this to a VBP drag drop slot position. And we're gonna cast this. No, get widget controller. And this we want to cast to. Jesus, supposed to have a name on that one too. Drag drop slot controller. Slot controller. Boom. There we go. Double cast. Not really a fan of that, but there's nothing else I can do. Now, we want to remove some kind of function called remove. I want to see what the fuck happens here. I didn't even check that. So I want to check the slot manager. Remove item. Yeah, everything works fine there. All right. Okay, and then we want to rewrite the slot. Jesus. Clear slot. Before we do anything, I just want to check if this actually would work. Boom. Now, there's one more thing we need to do. I want to take the drag item. If we drag it from a slot, then we don't want to. Let's see, there. We don't drag from a slot, and we don't do that. Set current item, remove from storage. Don't want to do that, we want to do that. Okay, let's see. We can, no, we need to have that here. Sometimes this can feel a little too... That works. That works. Look at that. Okay, so let's just double check our output as well. 50, 70, 70, 50, 50 to 70, 70, 50, 50, 70, 70, 50, 50, 70, 50. That's actually working. Excellent. All right. All right, cool. So we got that. All right. Let's see here. Let's get this whole fucking shebang. All right, there we go. What's this? This is collapse the function. Okay. Okay, something's wrong. Let's take a look at my code. Let's see. That's my storage code. Yeah. Something is off. Something is off. Change the unique there something. Otherwise it won't take it. That's my 2. Oh, wait a minute. Probably because they were set they were down here when I stopped it. Yeah. So it doesn't save from down here if there are in the load slots when I end the game. It doesn't you know, update it or put it back into the main storage or anything like that. All right, cool. That's a thing for the future. Right, so let's take a look at our little list here. That was done. Show that you cannot drop this item into that slot. So this guy here is showing green, yes. However, I wonder if I hover over these guys and it doesn't supposed to go into those. At least I want something like the background to be red or something like that. So should go pretty smoothly to do that. Let's see, that's not it. Let's see, UI. It. And on here we should have on drag enter. And we should have one called on drag leave. Those 2. We're gonna get some kind of animation going. And I'm thinking empty slot image maybe. Make that a little red. on enter, and then we drag it to 0 on, oh shit. So, I don't know. Make it into a variable there. Non-compliant slot. Okay, and add a empty image slot image. Color opacity. I think that should be fine there. And then up to half a second, something like that. There we go. Let's do that, and I can play it backwards when we are dragging it out. Do a if statement on that one. However, I want to do that one backwards, reverse, on leave. Test it out and see if it actually is working at all. Yeah, seems to work. Just want it though on the right place. All right, so operation. I don't know. That's not it. Pointer event. Huh. Don't know. On drag detected, on drop. This is where we want to do. Operation cast to, let's see, cast to, Jesus, wrong one. Yeah, it's gonna be cast to drag items. Oh, Jesus, I want some room here, buddies. This is one of the reasons I don't really do blueprint for anything else than this stuff. Okay. Get item struct. Go. I'm gonna break that. And this item struct has a item type, and we're gonna get our item type, and we're gonna do that from the controller. Get item type. Get slot item type. That's not right. Let's see here. Get slot type. All right. There we go. Boom. Thank you. Equal. And equal. Boom. What the hell? Should work because it is an equipable item, but still I don't really like it. Jesus fucking Christ, this is so messy. Right. Nothing. Red. Red. Nothing. Nothing. Oh. Okay. That's a edge case. Because it doesn't leave. Oh shit. And that was lost in space. Okay. So I really need to leave. So if we cancel it. Okay. Interesting. Interesting. I didn't think about that. Because if we cancel the drag and drop, and the same thing from everywhere. Yeah. I need to broadcast something. Oh, that's gonna be a mess. Yeah, I'll look at that later. I actually don't know. I probably had to. Jesus. Need to broadcast that. Problem is it's on all levels. If I drop it, cancel it here. Drop position slot. Let's see there. I need to do a event on cancel here as well. Enter. I was thinking first that maybe I can just create a on cancel broadcast, picks up with everybody, but it needs to go one level up. So we're going to create a function on yeah. I don't have energy for that right now, actually. Very low energy today. I'll figure it out. Get back to it. Oh, Jesus. I don't know why I'm getting so fucking tired today. Really, really tired. Can't really concentrate. Let's say like this. Been on for an hour, just over an hour. I will stop streaming right now, and I'll come back after 1 o'clock or something like that. After I, had a shower and waking up a little bit more. So we got a couple of things done right now. I'll be back and we'll continue this in this afternoon. I'll see you then. Take care. Bye.